computer picture?
We live within a quarter mile, less than a quarter mile, like a tenth of a mile, of a whole bunch of organic shopping centers. And I will admit.
And I have hat like this lately, so Mom has to direct me.
Right? So, knowing that we were going to be without 2 cars, that we were going to have 1 car, we were really careful about where we picked the apartment so that we would have things that would entertain the kids during the day if we needed it, like libraries and parks and bike paths, and also that we were close enough that I could go and get groceries without having to do it at night once John gets home. So here we are. Trader Joe's, and then across the street we have Reese's and Whole Foods.
Well, Reese's isn't organic.
Nope, it's not. Lead on Fearless one.
I'm not careless.
No, Fearless. Fearless one. Are you going? Let's go.
Where am I supposed to put this?
Just hold on to it.
Can I put my beanie in the cart?
As long as you remember it. No. All right. Okay, both of you. What are we looking for?